WGAL News 8.
Well, good morning, everyone. As we go into your Friday, we'll see the clouds come back across the area, but they will decrease. Very similar to what we saw yesterday. So a cloudy start, but the sun comes out as we head into the afternoon. I think we'll get up to around 60 degrees today. And then this evening, partly cloudy and a light wind. So overall, not a bad Friday. Tonight, increasing clouds, seasonably mild. We'll get down to the low 40s as we head into the weekend. Speaking of which, here is Saturday. Mainly cloudy, a few showers though to the west, especially west of Harrisburg. They're going to be very isolated. I think most of us do stay dry tomorrow, and temperatures will be getting into the low to mid 60s as we head into your Saturday. Now Sunday. Mostly cloudy and windy. We're going to have scattered morning showers and then afternoon rain and thunderstorms here. Temperatures will be warm. We'll be in the mid to upper 60s, getting close to 70 degrees. But check out the winds. That will be with or without severe storms. So that wind is going to happen regardless, but we're expecting gusts 40 miles per hour or greater in the Susquehanna Valley, so that we have Sunday as an impact day. You're looking outside York right now. We got some low clouds in place, just like we had yesterday, and temperatures in York are currently 30 degrees. And that is the lowest spot I've seen so far in the Susquehanna Valley. Most of us are in the mid to upper 30s. And here's a look at the almanac from yesterday. We got the 56 degrees. Will be a tad warmer today, I think, across the area. Our average high now is 50 degrees. We got those clouds building in from the southeast here, and that will continue. We have a little bit of a flow that's coming out of the east, and that's helping bring in moisture from the Atlantic. So that's what's leading to the cloud cover. But like I said, just like yesterday, clouds are moving out as we head into the afternoon. I think you'll see a lot of sunshine later on today. As we head into tomorrow, more clouds than sun, and then an isolated shower, not out of the question in the afternoon, but notice how most of that will stay off to the west. As we head into Sunday, we start off dry with clouds until after sunrise, and then we have some isolated shower activity there in the morning. As we head into the afternoon and evening, especially after 5 o'clock, a line of shower and storms will move through. That is the line that we're watching for the strongest winds to come through, and that's the cold front. This is also going to potentially bring some heavy rain. So that's when the severe weather threat will be moved through the Susquehanna Valley. It's going to be during the late afternoon and evening. But your weekend planner tomorrow, 62 degrees for that high. Again, a few isolated afternoon showers, not out of the question, but it's mostly for our western areas. Sunday, mostly cloudy. We have that as an impact day with temperatures in the upper 60s here, and you can see how we progress throughout the weekend. We see those temperatures continuing to climb all the way through Sunday, and we do have what is known as a slight risk across the Susquehanna Valley. That means that scattered severe storms. So not everyone's going to get a severe storm on Sunday, but the potential is there for a couple warnings, so just be aware of that. Breaking this down even more, you can see again that the severe threat mostly in the afternoon, with a few of those storms be producing really strong winds themselves, but in addition to that, we will have wind throughout the entire day. So that will be another thing to keep in mind, is that morning and afternoon you'll see those strong winds. We're looking at temperatures in the 60s all weekend, 56 degrees though for St. Patrick's Day, a breezy but quiet St. Patrick's Day. And then Matt, check that out. Wednesday getting back to 72 degrees to officially end winter. Next week we start spring on Thursday. A little bit of a soggy note with some scattered showers in the area.
And our highs, average highs, are popping it back up, so we're not below 54 degrees in the next 10 days.
Yeah, exactly. So for really the next 10 days, we're going to be above average as well.
Very good. Certainly be enjoying that. All right, let's take a look at the traffic.